If your car's keyless remote has suddenly stopped working, let me show you how easy and quick it is to fix it. Your key fob has a key hidden inside that you can quickly access if you find yourself locked out of your car. If your keyless remote has stopped working because your battery's died, you're going to find that your car won't start either. The trick is hold your key fob up to the start button. There's a tiny chip inside the key fob that will work even without a battery. You don't need any special tools to do this. You can use the key that's inside your fob to help pry it open to change the battery. You'll just use the little lever to take out the key. Pry open the plastic by putting it in between these two little rectangular bars here. One thing to remember while you're prying open the fob is to turn it so that these buttons are facing down, because when you remove this, the buttons may fall through, so you don't want them to fall through the plastic and then you have to try to line them back up again. I've had that happen. So make sure that your buttons are facing down. Using your key, you can pry the plastic case open. Okay. Remove the battery. Just pops out. And you will put in a lithium 2032 battery. It just snaps in if you put the top in first and snap it in the bottom. The toughest part of this entire process is just getting this to snap back. Line up your ends. I think it works best going this way. And then snapping it shut. There we go. That's all there is to it, guys. Super simple, super easy. I'm sure it's going to save you a ton of money. You don't need to call AAA to come out and help you get your car started or unlock your door. And you don't need to take it to the dealership for sure. I don't know what they charge you to do something like this, but you know, for $6, well, less than $3 actually per battery. I've got a backup. This was $5 something in just a few minutes of time. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I post a video. Thanks for watching.